All right, we're just getting wound up, okay? We've got more of today's Throwback Thanksgiving, big day just a week away, and we got our next batch of chefs ready to serve up sides that take us back in time. Remember, you can find all the recipes and tips scanning our QR code. Let's start off with some green beans, a festive spin. Danielle, what do you got for us?
Yes, look, and you got to be well organized for Thanksgiving, and I have cooked my green beans about 8 to 10 minutes, depends.
Okay.
I want them tender, but not super tender, on boiling hot water with salt. And then you roll the bean bundle in bacon like this.
Can you use
And then I have almonds and hot pepper a little bit here. And then you roast that in a pan. And look what happened.
Ooh, that is beautiful.
You get a beautiful bundle of roast bean in bacon.
There you go. Thank you for that.
And if you don't have time to cook, all my restaurants are open for Thanksgiving.
You know, it wouldn't have been Danielle if you hadn't slipped that in. You French smoothie, you. All right, Ayesha Nurdjaja, what's going on? We got to make mashed potatoes.
I mean, Al, you'll have to agree that the king and queen of Thanksgiving has to be the turkey and the mashed potatoes. You could have any other sides, but you have to have these, right?
Yes.
What I like to do with mine is peel and cut potatoes and put some lemon. Inside there when they boil. It adds a little bit of acidity, right? And then you rice them, and then in here, my little trick is that I infuse the cream with what I want to taste in the mashed potatoes. So I have some garlic, some rosemary, and cream in here with obviously some salt. And then I've taken some garlic and confit it in olive oil, right?
Oh, wow.
Gets nice and caramelized, right, guys? Confit it. I don't have salt, but I'd be doing that right now. You know what I mean?
You'd be
folding
doing
that in, and then you want to finish with a little bit of creme fraiche and some dollops of nice good quality butter on top, and I think you'll be satisfied. Let me see what you think.
I'm very satisfied.
You like that one?
Very satisfied.
Okay.
All right, Marcus Samuelsson, bring it in.
How are you?
Bring it in.
This is all about, this is not throwback, but it's delicious. So, this is Zion's favorite mac and cheese. It is throwback. So, sweet potato mac and cheese that we're going to top off with some jerk turkey, right? Using those leftovers. Just going to throw in some jerk sauce here, some cilantro. Put that on top.
Right.
And this is so delicious. It even got checked from Martha. Martha's out here stealing Thanksgiving recipes. Can I just say that? She's out here. She's out here. But the book is coming out next year, and it's going to be fabulous.
Okay.
All right. Very good. All right.
Guilty.
Savannah.
Okay, thank you so much. We've got, all right, Jocelyn, Delk-Adams, cornbread. It's not sweet. You're known for your cakes. Tell me about this.
Okay, so if you love sweet cake-like cornbread, this ain't it. Okay, this ain't it. This is my big mama from Mississippi. If everyone knows, there's the sweet versus the savory cornbread. She believed in no sugar in the cornbread. Yeah, so we've got our, just a tiny bit, y'all, just a tiny bit. But we've got our cornmeal and then a little flour, and then we've got some wet ingredients. We got some milk, we've got some eggs, some melted butter, and then some sour cream, y'all.
Okay.
Not buttermilk, but sour cream we toss in. And this is the cornbread, that savory cornbread that you love to put like with your collard greens. You can even put it with your cornbread dressing, your pinto beans, your butter beans, all of that. This is the one, all of it.
Okay.
And then make sure you pour it into a super, super hot cast iron skillet with a little oil or a little bacon grease like my big mama used to do and get that nice exterior that crusts up. It is absolutely delicious. You get the two different textures.
Okay, great. And then finally, I got to move over to Eric Kim, New York Times food and cooking columnist, and we've got some tasty greens. These look pretty. Martha's here. She might take them. Okay, how do you make these special?
So I love these because, as much as I love cheese and cream and fat on Thanksgiving, a raw broccoli salad is a lovely way to cut through everything. And my whole thing is that I've been allergic to raw apples since I was a child until recently. So this is my very first raw apple recipe.
So you're like, everything's apple forward now?
Basically.
Yes, okay.
But there's a lot of seasonings here that are familiar. Dried oregano, salt, red pepper flakes, kosher, and a little black pepper, and olive oil. And what you do is you make sure that the apples have been sitting in apple cider vinegar and lemon, and you just toss it all together. But if you want to help me with that. But the real trick, Martha, before you take a bite.
Raw broccoli.
Yeah, the broccoli.
Really?
And
Delish.
And cutting it against the grain, make sure that the stem is really tender. But can I grate some cheese over for you?
Oh, you forgot.
So this is really the final magic.
Stir it up now.
How about that?
And, pile it on if you can.
Yeah.
And try that. Let me know what you think.
Okay, it's beautiful. Thank you so much, chefs. All right. Look at Marcus is eating. He's like, it's so good.
I'm eating. It's so delicious.
Okay.
You gonna steal my cornbread?
Over to you.
All right, guys, leave room for dessert. Okay, coming up. up next, we're going to serve up some nostalgic favorites along with new and improved ideas. We're capping off your holiday meal. But first, this is Today on
NBC.
That's right.